Good afternoon, sir.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Happy Republic Day, sir.
Same to you, students. Happy Republic Day.
Happy Republic Day, sir.
Happy Republic Day, sir.
Happy Republic Day, sir.
Okay, we'll wait for 2 minutes if anyone else is joining, and then we'll start. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I think last class we had started with time and work. Do you remember? Yes, students.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, sir.
We had started with time and work last class.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So we'll continue with that. We'll see the test we'll be discussing afterwards. Okay, not today. Because first we need to complete the portion also.
Sir, did you send the worksheet of it?
Yeah, it was sent last on 19th Jan only.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
You have also sent the answer key of time and work, right?
That we'll have to check, but now do one thing, everyone. Okay, either one of you. When we solve the question, please just note down the answers so that then again we don't have to make the answer key. So directly you can send me that answer key.
Okay, sir. But sir, I think you sent time and work answer.
फिर ठीक है चलो बट तो भी आप बना लो एक आंसर की हाँ आप खुद के लिए भी so question number 1 from the worksheet tap A can fill a tank in 6 hours so A can fill in 6 hours okay and B can empty the tank in 8 hours what
You
are
have
your
sent the
अंशिता आपको क्या बोलना है बोलो
sir, you sent the answer key. I just checked.
yeah so it's okay now let's concentrate over here we'll see
Okay.
answer key afterwards okay that's not so important so A can fill in 6 hours so A's 1 hour work is
1/6.
yes 1 hour work is equal to 1/6 B can empty so B is doing negative work correct so B's 1 hour work will be 1/8 with a negative sign okay
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ बोलो बोलो
Sir, I just joined now, so can you tell me that we are
we are
doing
doing the
solving the
time
test?
and work worksheet question number 1 okay
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
so this is our 1 hour's work for both of them. Now, when they work together, that means we are going to add their 1 hour's work. Okay, so A plus B is equal to 1/6 plus bracket mein minus 1/8 because B is going to empty the tank. So this will be 1/6 minus 1/8. So in together when they work 1 hour में कितना fill होने वाला है? LCM will be 24. 6 will go in this 4 times minus 3 because so 1/24. Understood? So A and B together will fill the tank in how much time?
24 days. 24 hours. 24 hours. 24 hours.
24 hours.
Has everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Please note it down.
Yes, sir. So done.
Those who have done very good, just wait for others to complete it. In 2 minutes, we'll start. Okay, we move on to question number 2 now. A can do a piece
Excuse
of
me,
work.
sir.
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, question 2 and 3 we had completed in the last class.
Okay, question 2 and 3 is done. Thank you. So we'll do question number 4. Manoj can do a work in 40 days. He works at it for 8 days, okay, and then Suresh finished it in 16 days. How long will they take together to complete the work? इसका मतलब है मनोज ने 40 days का काम जो कर सकता है वो सिर्फ 8 दिन किया है काम. Then he left the job, okay, and then Suresh completed in place of Manoj. So first what we have to find 1 day's work. So 1 day's work will be how much? 1 day's work of Manoj
1
will
by
be how much?
1 by 40.
1 by 40. Now he works for 8 days. So 8 days work will be how much?
1 by 5.
Very good. 1 by 40 into 8, which is 1 by 5. So how much work is completed? 1/5 of the work is completed. Okay. Work completed. How much is remaining now? If 1/5 of the,
4.5.
very good. 4 by 5 of work is completed by Suresh in how many days?
Sir, 16 days.
Very good. 16 days. देखो मनोज का टोटल वर्क टाइम हमें पता है. टोटल वर्क विल बी डन इन 40 डेज. अभी हमें सुरेश का पहले फाइंड करना है टोटल डेज कितना लगेगा टू कंप्लीट द फुल वर्क. 4/5 के लिए 16 डेज लग रहा है, तो 5/5 के लिए कितना डेज लगेगा?
20. 20.
20.
हैज एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
सुरेश विल टेक 20 days to complete the whole work. अलोन. ठीक है. अभी सुरेश का आंसर आ गया हमारे पास. कितना है? 20 days. Now if they work together, so how many days will be required? That is asked. We know both 1 day's work. Okay. So 1 upon Manoj is equal to 1 by 40. 1 upon Suresh is equal to 1 by 20. If we add these two, what we'll get? 40 is the LCM. 1 plus 2, which is 3 by 40.
3 upon 40.
This is 1 day's work. Correct? 1 upon M plus 1 upon S.
Yes, sir.
Total time 40 by 3. करेक्ट. 40/3 को अगर हम सॉल्व करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 13. 1/3 days.
13 days, 8 hours.
Yes, but here it is given in fractions, so we'll write it in fractions only. Has everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Madam.
Then students,
No, sir, 1 minute only. Sir, done.
question number 5. A tire has two punches. The first puncture alone would have made the tire flat in 9 minutes. So puncture 1 will take 9 minutes. And the second would alone have flattened the tire in 6 minutes. So puncture 2 will take 6 minutes. If air leaks out at constant rate, how long does it take for both the punches together to make it flat? So in 1 minute, first puncture will do how much damage or how much leakage? 1 by 9. And second puncture will do 1 by 6. So if they at the same time both the punches have taken place, so at the same time they will leak out air as they have given in the question. So दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो कितना आएगा? 1/9 plus 1/6. LCM is 18. 2 plus,
or 5/18.
correct, 5/18. This is in 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute है. तो total time 18/5. अभी 18/5 minutes है. ओके, तो पहले तो इसको कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा?
3.6.
3.6 मिनट. अभी 0.6 मिनट को हमें इंटू 60 करेंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा? 36 सेकेंड.
36.
सो आंसर क्या आएगा? 3 minutes 36 seconds. अंडरस्टूड?
Sir, why did you take 0.6 minutes over there? Okay, 1 minute is 0.6.
1 minute is 60 seconds, so we need to convert 0.6 minutes to seconds because the answer is given in minutes and seconds. तो 3 minutes 6 and 36 seconds आएगा आंसर.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, done.
Okay. Question number 6. A can finish a work in 18 days. B can do the same work in half time taken by A. So B will complete the work in 9 days. Working together, what part they can finish finish in 1 day? So that means we need to find 1 day's work if they are working together. So 1 by 18 plus 1 by 9, which is 18. 1 plus 2,
3 by 18.
3 by 18, which is 1 by 6.
1/6, 1/6.
1 by 6 work done in 1 day. Understood?
Yes, sir. Sir, then you can continue.
Once you finished writing, I'll continue. Please wait for others also. Please be on mute. I hope everyone is understanding.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Question number 7. A certain work can be completed by 16 men in 16 days. So men and days. So 16 men can do it in 16 days, total work. 4 days after they started the work, 8 more men joined them. In how many days the job will be completed now? Okay. So total work कितना है पहले ये find out करो. What is the total work? Total work for 1 man. Okay. अभी क्या करना है देखो 16 men can do it in 16 days. So इसका मतलब हुआ that one person, 1 man can do the whole work in how many days?
1 day, sir.
गलत.
56.
256 days. Okay. Is this clear? So one
Yes.
man's 1 day's work is how much?
1/256.
1 by 256. So 4 days work will be how much?
4 upon 256.
4 by 256. This is for 1 man. Okay. Now we have how many men in all? 16. So 16 men's 4 days work will be how much?
64.
16
64.
into 4 upon 256. 16 into
64.
1, 16 into 16, 4 into 1, 4 into 4. So they have completed how much work? 1/4.
1/4.
Understood? Understood this part?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, after 4 days, how many men are joining? 8. So total men कितने हो गए? 24.
20.
4 men are there. Correct? Okay. 24 men's 1 day's work will be how much? 1 by 256 into 24. Because सबका 1 day's work is 1 by 256, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
एक काम करो ये पार्ट तक लिख लो सब लोग पहले. And if you have completed, just be on mute. I'll understand that if many have completed, I'll just move ahead. अभी इसको रिड्यूस करो तो कितना हो जाएगा? 4 into 6, 4 into 64। इसके बाद रिड्यूस होगा 2 into 3, 2 into 32।
32.
3/32 is your 1 day's work. Total work to be completed is
3/4.
very good. So in 1 day they do how much work? 3/32. In how many days they will do 3/4 of the work? तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं हम. 3/32 into x is equal to 3/4. Correct? So x is equal to 3 into 32 upon 4 into 3. 3 and 3 cancel. 4 into 1, 4 into 8. So
8.
the answer is 8 days.
8.
Now see, this is a very long process, okay? To do all these steps. अभी ये पहले यहाँ तक सबने नोट डाउन किया है क्या, ये पार्ट तक? 1 day's work 33/32, ये
Yes,
नोट डाउन.
sir.
No, sir.
Done.
So,
Please
yes.
note it down, those who have not done.
Done.
Okay. In exam, let's say such question is asked, you can solve this using this method what I have done. So first we found out one man's total work days, which is 256. ये दोनों को multiply करके फिर 1 day's work of one man, then 4 days work, then 16 men's 4 days work. तो हर बार सिर्फ multiply करते जाना है. And then you get the final answer as 8 days. Okay. But now the easiest way is how to solve such type of questions. Okay. Total work days कितना है ये बताओ. Total work,
256.
very good. 16 into 16, which is 256 is equal to 16 लोग कितने दिन काम कर रहे हैं?
16 days.
गलत. 16 लोग कितने दिन
4
काम
days.
करते हैं? 4
4
days.
days.
Done.
16 into 4 प्लस बाद में कितने मैन ऐड हुए? 8 मैन. तो कितने टोटल मैन हो गए?
24. 24.
तो 24. अभी
24.
वो कितने दिन काम कर रहे हैं ये हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. तो यहाँ पर आप लिख दो कोई भी अल्फाबेट. ये इक्वेशन बस हमें सॉल्व करना है. ओके. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, 16 into 16 is equal to 16 into 4 plus 24 into a. So then we'll take this on the other side. So what we'll get, 16 into 16 minus 16 into 4 is equal to 24 into a. So we get 16 into 16 minus 4 is equal to 24 into a. So we get 16 into 12 upon 24 is equal to a. So 12 into 1, 12 into 2, 2 into 1, 2 into 8.
8.
So a is equal to 8. So you got your answer in just one equation. Otherwise, you'll have to use all these methods, okay? ये सब करना पड़ेगा, which is not required in exam. For explanation, this part is required, but for exam, you can use this one shortcut method, okay? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Please
Yes,
note
sir.
the shortcut method also.
Sir, done.
Students, if you're done, just wait, okay? Has everyone finished writing?
Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
1 minute.
Please be on mute. Neja, please be on mute. If you have doubts, then only raise your hand and talk, okay? Question number 8. 30 men can do a piece of work in 20 days. How many men are required to complete the work, which is 2.5 times the original work in 15 days? Okay. Total work कितना हो गया? 600. Correct? For one man. Yes or no, students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. अभी हमें ये कितने men में करना है? 15 दिन में करना है. टोटल वर्क डेज हो गया ये, करेक्ट? 600 डेज लगेगा फॉर वन मैन. 15 डेज में कितने मैन लगेगा ये बताओ.
40. 40.
Okay, just wait, but 30 men can do a piece of work in 20 days. How many men are required to complete the work, which is 2.5 times? Oh, sorry, we didn't do 2.5 times. Okay. अभी इसका पहले 600 का 2.5 times हमें करना होगा, right? Because this is the work which is done first. अभी इसको 2.5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो कितना होगा? 600 into 2.5.
1500.
500.
1500
1500.
वन मैन. सो 5 days. ओके, 1500 डेज लगेगा वन मैन को. तो 15 डेज में कितने मैन काम कर, मतलब 15 डेज के लिए कितना लगेगा? 100.
100, sir. 100.
सो योर आंसर इज 100 मैन. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
या फिर आप 600 और 15 डेज का अगर निकालोगे तो यहाँ पर आएगा आपको 40 मैन. और फिर 40 को 2.5 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो भी आपको आएगा 100. ओके. सो बोथ वेज विल गेट द आंसर.
Sir,
हाँ बोलो.
sir, is it okay, sir, if we just do 30 into 50 upon 15?
30 into 50, या करेक्ट. नहीं बट हाँ बराबर, उससे भी आंसर आएगा. स्टूडेंट्स फिनिश राइटिंग?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Can you go back for just a minute? Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Please do question number 9 as homework, okay? Question number 10. A certain number of men can complete a job in 60 days. So days is given, but number of men is not given. X and 60. If there were 8 more men, the work would have finished in 50 days. X plus 8 and days 50. Both the work done should be equal. So 60x is equal to 50x plus 400. So 10x is equal to 400. x is equal to 40. So at the beginning, how many men were there? 40 men. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I didn't understand this song.
Okay. There are some people, okay, those who are working on a project and they can do it in 60 days. ये पहला पार्ट है क्वेश्चन का. अभी क्वेश्चन में लिखा है कि अगर 8 लोग और होते, जो पहले नंबर ऑफ वर्क मैन है उनसे 8 लोग ज्यादा होते तो सेम काम 50 दिन में होता. ओके, तो वर्क डन इज सेम.
Yes, sir.
So what we did, first one is what, x and 60. So number of men are x, we have to find that, and number of days required is 60. अभी x में अगर 8 ऐड कर लिया तो वो सेकंड कंडीशन हो गया, एंड काम कितने दिन में हो रहा है? 50 डेज में. तो टोटल वर्क डन इज सेम. So that means 60 into x is equal to 50 into x plus 8.
Yes, sir.
So then 50 into x plus 8 is 50x plus 400. And then we just solve the equation.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes.
Okay, next question. Question number 11. 12 men can dig a well in 8 days. So men and days again.
To the previous slide for a minute. Thank you, sir.
So 12 and 8. Okay. So after 3 days, 3 more men join. Okay. So this is like the first, sometime back we had done that question. So what we'll do, 12 into 8 is equal to 12 into 3 plus 15 into x, or 15 into box, let's say. So what we'll get, 12 into 5 is equal to 15 into box. So box is equal to 4 days. Understood?
Sir, how did you form the equation?
ये क्वेश्चन के लिए जैसे किया था, डू यू रिमेम्बर दिस वन? ये क्वेश्चन याद है? टोटल वर्क इक्वल होएगा. तो हमने क्या किया, पहले यहाँ पर टोटल वर्क कितना है, 12 into 8, तो वो हमने एक साइड पे लिख दिया. अभी 12 मैन आर वर्किंग फॉर हाउ मेनी डेज, 3 डेज, तो 12 into 3 कर दिया. उसके बाद 3 more men joined, so 12 plus 3 15. So how many number of days are required, that we have to find out. So then 12 into 3 will go
Yes,
on
sir.
the other side, so we'll get 12 into 5.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Wait a minute, sir.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Question number 12. X can do 1/4 of the work in X का है 1/4 of work in 10 days. Y can do 40% of the work in 40 days. And Z can do 1/3 of the work in 1/3 of work in 13 days. Okay. Who will complete their work first? So 1/4 के लिए he is taking 10 days. So total work के लिए into 4, which is 40 days. Okay. 40% is done in 40 days. So 100% will be done in how many days? 100 days.
100.
And 1/3 of the work is done in 13 days. So total work will be done in
39.
39 days.
39 days.
So who is the fastest and who will complete the work first?
Z.
Z.
Z. Z.
Understood?
Sir, so we will take the fourth option, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Do one thing, rejoin the meeting. Okay.